If you need to request a refund from Chase Bank for payment that was processed incorrectly, follow these simple steps to guide you through the process. Step 1. Gather your information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the #com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 2. Contact customer service. Call Chase Bank's customer service at the number on the back of your card or visit their website for assistance. Explain the situation clearly and provide the information you gathered in Step 1. Step 3. Submit a dispute. If the customer service representative confirms that a refund is possible, they will guide you through the process of submitting a dispute. Follow their instructions carefully, as this may involve filling out a form or providing additional documentation. Step 4. Follow up. After submitting your dispute, keep track of any reference numbers or confirmation emails. Follow up with Chase if you do not receive a response within the timeframe they provide. Step 5. Monitor your account. Check your account regularly to see if the refund has been processed. If it has not appeared after the expected time, contact customer service again for an update on your refund status. By following these steps, you can effectively navigate the refund process with Chase Bank. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the customer service for assistance.